Vocabulary, adventure, travel, and grammar. Present perfect with already, used, and yet. Name, Sebastián Arevalo. Course, 10G, High School, Técnico Salesiano. Go backpacking, go on cruise, go violin, go mountain biking, go rafting, go on safari, go sailing, go rock climbing, go summer camp. Vocabulary, adventure, travel. Grammar present perfect with already, used, and yet. Present perfect. Use already when an action happened sooner than expected. The sentences are positive. Use used when an action happened recently. Use yet when we think an action will happen soon. The sentence can't be negative or questions. Structure. Already. Subject, have, has, must already, must verb, past participle, must complement. Used. Subject, have, has, used, verb, past participle, complement. Yet. Subject, haven't, hasn't, verb, past participle, complement, if man yet. Questions. Question. Have, has, is verb past participle. Uh, question. Have, has, must, subject, must verb past participle, must complement, must yet. Examples. Already. I have already played basketball. Basketball. You already have your new car. Oh, just only. I just went to the store. You only play soccer. Yet. You haven't done your homework yet. Have you already chose?